Today is a day that you need to apply the sunscreen, right? I mean, the heat is on and the sun is out.
Yes, and I have to say too, Jason, I hope you don't mind me sharing this. I know you biked to work today.
I do.
I hope you applied it all over.
Yeah.
Today of all days, you bike to work,
The heat is nothing for me.
Yeah, you're right. You like the heat.
Yeah, I do like the heat. I do like the humidity, but you know, only if we can kind of back off from it just a little bit. This is the type of heat that you get Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia. This is like unbelievable heat that we have here across Northeast Ohio. And for all of our Northeast Ohioan residents, you have to be careful because we have heat advisories in effect through 9-10 p.m. tonight. And I think they'll likely start it up again tomorrow as well because we still have heat indices approaching 100 degrees for tomorrow. But you can kind of see where the heat advisory is and also where the heat warning is. The difference between the two is we have some power outages out down here as well. So that warning is definitely going to be in effect with those that are still not having limited or still having limited access to air conditioning in this region. Dew point temperatures still very much so elevated as well. 70-degree dew points, friends. This is something you see in southern Florida with tropical-like air mass. A wallop of winds coming in straight out of the south, not just at the surface, but reaching thousands upon thousands of feet in the atmosphere, lofting all of this very warm energy into our air mass. This is keeping our heat indices for this, at least this time of day, in the Century Mark area for some well inland. Akron, Kenton, you're well over 100, it feels like right now. Jefferson, 104, feels like Ashtabula at 104 as well. The Century Mark at Millersburg. But I can tell you this, whether you feel like 95 or 100 degrees, all in all, it is likely going to be uncomfortable as well. Speaking of uncomfortable, we're really not going to settle overnight tonight. We're still likely going to be feeling the mid to upper 80s throughout the overnight hours, waking up tomorrow morning as well. So this is when you need to hydrate, even if you're outdoors for an hour, 2, perhaps even 3 hours. Rainfall will be starving to trying to get into this region for tomorrow. We're locked in under this heat dome at this hour. However, a cold front moving through for tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours, back towards the Chicagoland area. This could cause some showers and even some pop-up thunderstorms across the area for us on our Thursday. So here's your National Design More hour-by-hour forecast for you, my friends. We also added on here the feels like temperatures as well, so you can see kind of what it looks like throughout the overnight hours as well as the start of your Thursday here. We'll have a few clouds to work with overnight tonight. We'll keep our winds out of the south, so we're likely going to keep this elevated, very uncomfortable air mass. Once the front begins to move closer to Northeast Ohio, we increase our cloud cover for tomorrow, and we could likely have a few pops. I think this will likely stay mainly east of the region into our Thursday afternoon. Cleveland, you're likely to stay dry. However, Akron, Canton, you're likely to get a couple isolated thunderstorms moving through as well. As far as our severe weather outlook for tomorrow, we have half of our viewing area under a slight risk in the yellow, the other half under a marginal risk. And this mainly just means that we could have some scattered showers in nature for tomorrow, but we'll keep on the radar that we could have some high impact winds for tomorrow as well. We'll keep that at the top of our game, at least for our Thursday afternoon. Here's your Unit Home Mortgage 7-day, okay? We cool things down very significantly, likely heading in towards the weekend. 50s likely waking up Saturday and also on Sunday, but an absolutely beautiful weekend for fathers out there to get maybe even some golf in for your Father's Day weekend.
Golf. Okay, real quick, because you said you bike to work. In those boots?
I did bike in the boots, yeah.
You biked in the boots.
Ooh, do it for
but
the
it's a fashion statement. Yeah, exactly.
I'm probably the only person that's hot that's still wearing boots here.
No, but they look great. All right, Jason, thanks so much.